Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you another quick, easy, and delicious recipe. I'm making flatbread. And with just a few ingredients, 3 or 4 ingredients, you can make a perfect flatbread that'll go really well as a side dish with any type of curry or something with a nice sauce. So stay tuned for my flatbread recipe. So in my bowl I'm adding 2/3 cups of white flour, 1/3 cup of whole wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a dash of salt, and I'm mixing it all up. Now I'm adding 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt and mixing it into the dry ingredients. Okay, so this spoon isn't doing the job here, so I'm just going to use my hands to make sure that this is all mixed up really well. So eventually the dough is going to come together nicely and you can form it into a ball. Now I'm flouring my counter before rolling out the dough just to make sure that it doesn't stick. This is going to make 6 flatbreads, so I'm going to cut the dough into 6 pieces. So I'm rolling the dough into a ball, flattening it a little bit. After flouring my rolling pin, I'm just going to roll out the dough. Because of the yogurt in the dough, it can be quite sticky, but if you keep flouring your rolling pin and your counter, it'll work out. And if the dough tears, just give it a little pinch to put it back together. Okay, so I finished rolling out the 6 pieces and I had them on a plate, but I don't want them to stick together, so it's best to keep them on the counter. And now it's time to fry these up. I have my pan on medium heat and now I'm adding some coconut oil. You can use whatever oil you want, like canola oil or avocado oil, but coconut oil has this really distinct flavor that I really like. The flatbread fries really quickly, so it's going to take about 1 minute on each side. Look at that color. This looks so good. You can have these with some kind of curry or something with a sauce. Sometimes I even have it for breakfast with some eggs and avocado. And here they are, nice and golden, light and fluffy. This is so easy to make, and I usually make about 2 dozen of these and freeze some of them for lunches for a couple of weeks. But I'm not done yet, so I have about 1/4 cup of melted butter here, and I'm adding a dash of pink Himalayan salt, a good amount of garlic powder, about 3 teaspoons, and about 1 teaspoon of oregano. And I'm just going to whisk it all together, and then lightly brush it on each flatbread. We absolutely love the hint of garlic on these. How perfect is this? So I have here some chicken that I cooked down in a slow cooker, and I'm just going to add this to the flatbread and top it with some cheese. Thanks so much for watching and happy cooking.